guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my chicken stir fry. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have my chicken breast that I've already seasoned. I also added some soya sauce and browning for the color. And I also have some vegetable oil. You can go ahead and use olive oil. I also have some all-purpose seasoning and some parsley flakes. Of course, I have my broccoli. I also have some onion, Scotch bonnet pepper. I also have bell peppers and garlic. Of course, I have my carrot and also some Pok Choy and a small amount of water. I might use as well, I might not use. So what I did, I went ahead and add the vegetable oil to the pot that I'm going to cook my chicken stir fry in. I allowed it to just heat up a bit. Then I will go ahead and add the seasoned chicken breast. Of course, you know that chicken breast doesn't take a long time to cook. So I will allow that to cook. Then I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. Just to note, guys, I will not allow it to be completely cooked. So once it's like halfway there, then I will come back and show you guys what it looks like and what I will do next. All right. Alright guys, so now that my chicken breast is almost cooked, as you can see it's bringing its own water, it's time to go ahead and add the onion, the bell peppers, the Scotch bonnet pepper and also the garlic. And I will go ahead and combine everything together. And I could have gone ahead and add the seasoning before I add the chicken breast, but no. I didn't want to do it like that because I don't want the seasoning, which is the onion, the Scotch bonnet pepper, the garlic, and also the bell peppers to get too soft. I wanted to have a crunchiness to it, alright? As you can see, I went ahead and add the carrot. And I also went in and add the broccoli. No, I know a lot of persons might go ahead and cook the carrot, the broccoli before, but for me, I won't do that. I will also go ahead and add the Pok Choy. And I will also add the all-purpose seasoning and the parsley flakes. Now, if you don't want to add any all-purpose seasoning, then that's up to you. Remember to always season to your taste. Remember to be creative in the kitchen. Remember to always be you. So I will go ahead and combine everything together. Then I will cover this, leave this for roughly 7 minutes roughly. Then I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. And I will also come back and show you guys the final product of my chicken stir fry. Alright guys, so this is what my chicken stir fry looks like. As you can see, still springing its own water, sorry. So I'll just allow this to cook some more because we don't want our vegetables to be too soft. Then I'll show you guys the final product. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my vegetable stir fry. I will go ahead and serve this up with some white rice and some fried plantain and show you guys the final product. Alright guys, so this is basically the final product. As you can see, I went ahead and served this up with some white rice. I also served this with some fried ripe plantains. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. Remember to tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen. Remember to turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video.